Welcome to TechLeak Solution Incorporated, your trusted Filipino partner in providing innovative, secure, and inclusive technology solution. TechLeak Solution is a Filipino-owned technology provider committed to helping business, school, and communities thrive in today's digital world. Our mission is to empower Filipinos and organizations with accessible, reliable, and secure technology solutions that drive growth, learning, and opportunities in the digital age. And our vision is to be the leading Filipino technology partner that transforms communities and business by providing inclusive, affordable, and sustainable digital solutions. At TechLink, our service include IT support, cloud and data management, cybersecurity, and digital learning platform, and smart community technology designed for modern needs. Our values keep us grounded, ensuring quality, driving innovation, working as a team, prioritizing customer satisfaction, and committing to continuous improvement. TechLink Solution is looking for tech-savvy problem solvers, innovator passionate about growth, team players committed to quality, and individual eager to make an impact. To apply, prepare your resume, cover letters, and transcript or certificate. You may submit your application through email at career@techleaksolution.ph or personally at our HR department. Shortlisted applicant will be contacted for an interview. Choose TechLeak Solution for world-class service built on Filipino expertise, reliability, inclusivity, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Together, let's connect technology and empower communities with TechLeak Solution Inc.